In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder, with a step-by-step tutorial that makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. First, let's head over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Hostinger's homepage. This is often where you'll begin your journey with many of Hostinger's tools. Once there, you should find yourself on the dashboard, which provides access to everything you need to manage your website. Now, with your dashboard open, locate and click on the Website Builder. From here, you'll see various elements you can add to your pages, making your website both unique and functional. This is a versatile space that allows you to construct and adjust the website in ways that suit your vision and needs. Next, navigate towards the Elements section. This is your toolkit for customizing your site. The Elements tab is packed with different components like text boxes, forms, and crucially for us today, image elements. By clicking this, you'll be able to access the necessary tools to embed images into your website effortlessly. Utilizing these elements effectively helps create an engaging visitor experience. Once you're in the Elements area, it's time to find the image option you want to incorporate into your page. Depending on the complexity and style of your site, you might want to select single images, galleries, or even slideshows. Highlighting images isn't just about choosing photos or graphics. It's about ensuring these visuals communicate the right message and add value to your overall design. After you've selected your image highlight, you can click on it to move it to your desired spot on the web page. Use the drag and drop feature to place it precisely where you intend it to appear. This user-friendly function makes adjustments quick and intuitive, ensuring your image aligns well with other page content. Once placed, customizing your images is the next step. You have options to scale, crop, or add effects which can enhance the visual impact. Pay attention to the size and placement of your images. Too large and they might overwhelm your design. Too small and they may not create the desired emphasis. Don't forget, these subtle adjustments can make a difference in the final look and feel of your website. After editing, take a moment to review your page. Check if the images support the purpose of your website and how they look across different devices and screen sizes. Hostinger's Builder allows you to switch between desktop and mobile views, ensuring your site is responsive and visually appealing on all platforms. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. All your newly integrated images and adjustments should be stored, so you can preview how everything looks once live. Always aim for a final survey to make sure all elements, including your images, create a coherent and attractive flow to captivate your audience. With these steps, including clear visuals on your website becomes a seamless process, enhancing your site's professionalism and appeal.